Just before Sim, Mrs. or Miss Judith Kashana Mays, please get in touch with Princess Brian at 876-250-8417. Apparently she has some stuff that you really need. So Miss Judith Kashana Mays, get in touch with Princess Brian at 876-250-8417 and you will get the stuff that you lost. Your time, ma'am.
Ready. Science is fun.
Eh?
Okay, and our producer wants us to try a few experiments that can be done at home with some household products.
No can explode
There's
there.
no fire here,
Thank
so
you
that's
very much.
a good sign.
Yeah.
Because Neville and I are talented that way, you know?
Incredibly talented.
Okay,
So you have what?
I've got a glass,
Yeah.
a piece of orange sticky,
Baby oil,
water, Alka-Seltzer, and some dye, blue and red.
And I have paper, scissors, dishwashing liquid, and water. There's water in here. But apparently we're going to show, or we're going to see a video. I don't know why. Yeah, you just have to just tell me what to do and we shall deal
Did
with
they just
it.
really say we need some adult supervision?
No, it don't make no sense.
We don't.
But there, so I just put it in the water.
Let me see.
What's up?
I feel them never cut out a middle part.
Then in the middle part that.
Did you cut out a piece?
You cut out a piece?
I don't remember.
I never see that. I just
I think
see
they
it
cut out
where?
a little piece in the middle. Guys, can we beg you some music? I was playing. I'm not going to play.
hold on. So this, we're good now, Sim. Sim, work with me now.
I'm giving you some background music.
And then I just put this on top of it.
Wait, you have to steady. Let me give you some background music. I feel like that hole too big. Lord, Nev. It have to go into the middle so that it interacts with the water.
What? It mustn't touch the thing. Is the water it must touch?
Yes. No, not. Oh! It's really Christmas because it's wait, your ship's sinking. It's sinking.
You know where, man. It gone already. I just get my PhD. And you can just start calling me doctor.
It's not supposed to sink.
Who says so?
The little man who never
Well,
sink.
it's because I did put, all right. You not doing anything.
I'm watching you.
I did put mine on top, but you never tell me say I mustn't put it on top. So just put it anywhere in the water.
Put it like right at the top there.
Eh? The water can't use again. What happens? Dishwashing liquid breaks down the water surface tension and creates enough force to push the boat across the surface.
Your boat is sinking, Bridget. Man overboard.
No, but it worked the first one.
No, it was supposed to go here.
So where I must do with this water, please, if I want to do it again? What I must do? Drink it? All right, I'm not changing the water. Sim one time now. Mine work, right? Eh?
You should wash some plate.
What? Mine work.
All right, move on to the next one then.
This is Christmas. One of your time.
I have one?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. I haven't seen the...
All right. What?
Whoa, guys.
Where that go up a while ago?
Shake a hand, shake a hand, shake a hand.
What's the one?
Okay, I don't never let my Christmas card.
Where is Simone
I don't
one?
make all my wallets.
First, I have to raise you up. Plenty?
I print.
So you have to full it up with baby oil? Full it up with baby oil.
It's not supposed to be full.
She said full it up. Stop there
Does
now.
it matter that their glass is like curved at the top and mine is
Take
right
out the
open?
stick, take out the stick. Where you put now?
You know,
Little tip of water.
you know you're a real
Yeah.
bully. Take out the stick, take
Yeah,
out.
I want it to work. Little tip.
Tip.
Yes. One color, two color. One single color of the coloring. Just a little tip.
Tip.
A little more. A good amount, she said. Oi! Stir it up. Stir it up with the stick.
Is this your experiment or mine?
No,
Because your ship sink.
No, she tell.
You want to come
no,
sink
man,
up
mine
mine?
work. Stir it up. Yeah.
And then what now?
Piece of the Alka-Seltzer. And then what's supposed to happen? Piece of it.
Oh, we must know what from about piece of this now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it a little bit less than
Yeah.
that. I am out and stunting. Is that lava lamp? Is that supposed to happen? I wish my coil was thick like dumpling, but that's not the case. But clearly,
You're going on with something.
a bag of things. Your ship sink, and look at me, I'm bubbling.
No, but-
bubbling.
and then what you do with it?
bubbling.
This supposed to do what?
After we don't know, no? We need to see that party. Oh, hear that. It's like,
No, but at the end of the day, what you must do, drink it.
it's erupted. You want some? Looks very
No, but-
tasty. Look like it would bust some good gas.
Ken, what happened after? What you supposed to do?
It's like a lava lamp. It's just experiment.
Yeah, but
So
this is
it's
what?
showing you that when this coloring interacts with the Alka-Seltzer, it creates a fizzling motion that,
I carry my killer that.
yeah. But look, see? Reacts to do, I was getting there. So what it's doing is producing
No, that is your
carbon
one.
dioxide,
That is yours.
bubbles.
The one like is a foreign one.
Yeah.
It's your one. That.
Right. What they said.
Stir it up, make us see something.
No, we're not stirred because I can stop fizz.
All right.
You just want my experiment flop
No,
for your ship sink.
My ship.
Watch it. Two of your ship them gone under.
Well, first is I wanted to be at my ship first, and
I thought you were conserving.
but it my ship moved on. You can't stay there. Almost change the water. I want to stay in water. We're going for
My
a break. We'll
experiment
soon
still
come
going
back.
in with fizzlings. You
Stir
want
it
some?
up because it's up.
thirsty?
No, stir it
man.
up, no. Stir it up.
You flap it.
No, look pretty the way there. Look at that. Thank you very much. Look how it looks.